Yo, so we're at the dealership right now. We're getting a muffler delete. I'm probably gonna drop this video after I drop the video of me actually like just like after I bought it and just kind of like showcasing it. But this is gonna be like the muffler delete video. Oh my god, I can't wait. It's gonna sound nasty. Getting a muffler delete right now, bro. I can't wait until this shit's done. I feel like it's gonna sound nasty. Yeah.
Damn, those are looking heavy.
Yeah.
Like, kill with the shit.
Damn, it's weird. It's like the Porsche goes like this, like.
Yeah, dude, look how it comes. Like it comes in two, and then it just fucking.
Yeah.
Usually, most cars it's just straight down the middle, and it's like.
Yeah.
Oh, this is what's fucked up with my car.
What?
You know my car squeaks?
Yeah.
Okay, so you see these rubber bushing inside here? Mine are fucked up. So when my car, it makes that knocking noise. That it's because there's no bushing in there.
Oh.
Mine bushes in right now. So my subframe and this, like, it just bounced, like, they hit each other.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
But in the front of my car.
We finna pop.
closer to. It's been sitting for a while.
Yeah.
And it's fresh air.
Should I back it up?
If you want.
If they let you.
I'm good, bro, but you can ask them.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Did I hear the turbos? I know you heard them.
Yeah.
You heard the whistle?
Yeah.
It's like.
You hear it? Like it? Oh!
I got him on the Porsche.
Yo! Here we go, guys. Yeah. Oh! Yo! Oh my gosh! That was nasty! That was fucking nasty!
Oh my
Yo!
God!
What the nigga, that pop was nasty! What the fuck? Yo! What the fuck? Oh my gosh! Gosh, what the fuck? Oh my gosh. Oh, open your back windows, open the back windows. Oh my god! Oh my god, no fucking way. No fucking way. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Nigga.
Oh!
Yo!
Bro, that shit sounds like an M3.
What the fuck? Good. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Damn, I low-key wanna drive it, bruh. Nigga, this shit sounds fucking insane. Oh my gosh. This is fucking insane, bro.
I can shift it for you. Are you recording? If it's just myself, it won't fart.
Yeah.
Don't turn off.
Oh, yeah.
You get some videos in there.
Damn, that sounds. What you think?
Bro, it sounds good. I think it sounds good.
Fuck, it sounds better than Charlie.
No.
Nigga,
like,
what
I'm just fucking with you.
bro?
I'm just
What the
fucking with
hell? For real?
you. No, it definitely sounds better. Yeah, it does.
It sounds like more like.
I would say that the Challenger sound deeper. The tone was meaner. This is more like, it's more like turbo, like raspy, like
Yeah.
like more like burbly and shit. The Challenger had like a deeper tone.
Damn. This shit sounds so fucking crazy.
What you think? What you think
I
about
like
it?
this shit, bro. This shit's crazy. I don't know what to say, bro. This shit's crazy. It's crazy because it's night. It's just daytime right now. Like, I can't even imagine at night. It's gonna sound fucking crazy.
So you could get like and then like get on the brake and then start like boosting it, and then, you know, like floor it, get on the brake, and then let go, floor it, and then shift. Go.
Tiny yacht. In the middle of the field, throw me a bomb. I want that to be like quarterback. Stood in the field, holding a bomb, throwing that hole like quarterback. Stood in the field, holding me a bomb, throwing that hole like quarterback.
I'm feeling like Joe or something, like Terrence Squad, we blowing something. She poppin' them 30s, thinking they working, but they ain't doing nothing. She doing them Ozempic, trying to be different, trying to be a newer woman. That shit look iffy, need a thick, you needed to move some. Like it bruise some, just don't you remove nothing. Grip like it's